Hello everyone, welcome to the online lecture, and this is the second part of chapter number 5, fractions. Okay. So we'll start this lecture in a continuation from the last lecture. So in last lecture we had done our introductory exercise, that is get set go up to question number 5. So in this lecture we'll start from question number 6. In question number 6, that A, C and F, that 3 numerical, I will do it for you, that rest 3 B, D and E, you will do it by your own as a homework. Okay, so in a question number 6, that is quite simple. You have question number 6 is basically based on subtraction and addition of a like fraction. In our first one, in our previous lecture we had discussed what is like fraction and what is unlike fraction. In the first question, that is 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7, right? So whatever the common denominator, we have a same denominator, that is why it is a like fraction. So common denominator we are directly copy in our answer as a denominator, and for the numerator directly addition. 2 plus 3, that is 5 upon 7 is our answer. Here no more cutting is possible, so we'll leave it as it is. That is our final answer. If cutting is possible, then we must do cutting and we have to write answer in a lowest form. Second one, that is C, 5 upon 17 plus 7 upon 17, right? Again a like fraction, same denominator, we'll copy the denominator in an answer. Then 5 plus 7, that is 12. Again no more cutting is possible, so we'll leave as it is, and it is our final answer. The third one is F. So 90 upon 13 minus dash, so 3 upon 30, right? So we are going to find in this particular sum is this, like 90 from this fraction what we are subtracting, so we'll get this, right? So in order to find this we'll subtract this 2, right? ये आप अगर सिंपल नंबर भी अज्यूम कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, ताकि आपको पता लग जाए कि आपको करना क्या है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप 5 ले लो, तो 5 में से क्या जाएगा, तो 3 मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड दैट यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 minus 3, right? Okay, so 90 upon 13 minus 3 upon 13. So 13 common denominator will directly copy in our answer. 90 minus 3, 90 minus 3, that is nothing but your 87. 87 divided by 13 is your final answer. No more cutting is possible in any of these three answers, so we'll decide as a final answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7, simplify and write in a lowest form. But here क्वेश्चन 6 में जैसे आपको लाइक फ्रैक्शन का दिया था, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इट इज़ फॉर अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन, which means denominators will not same. The first one, that is 15 by 3 plus 21 upon 9. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है, ठीक है, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन को हमको पहले लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. इट मीन्स कि हमको डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाने होंगे. कैसे? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक एन एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 9. अब जब ये एलसीएम करोगे, एलसीएम का सम ऑफ 3 and 9, यू विल गेट आंसर एज अ 9, राइट? सो 9 I'm setting as a denominator. Here it is 3 earlier. Now 3 with what I will multiply, so I'll get 9. 3 3s are. So whatever the number I'm multiplying in denominator, the same number I have to multiply with in a numerator, right? यहाँ पे तो 9 already है, so there is no more change. 15 threes are, that is okay, मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ. 15 threes are, that is 45 upon 9, 21 upon 9. Now this become like question number 6, like fraction. 9 common denominator, we are directly copying our answer. 45 plus 21, that is 66. Is cutting possible? Is further cutting is possible in numerator and denominator? Yes. 3 threes are 22, 3s are 66. So your final answer after cutting in a lowest term, it becomes 22 upon 3. Okay, now in question number 7, eventh. Okay, that is 6 upon 7 plus 2 1 14, 2 whole 1 upon 14 plus 3 whole 2 upon 21, right? So 6 upon 7, this mixed fraction you have to convert in a improper fraction, like 14 2s are 28 plus 1 29. इन दोनों का multiplication plus this 21 3s are 63 plus 2, 63 plus 2 65 upon 21, right? Now I am taking LCM for 7 14 21, that become 42. आप लोगों को ये सम करना है, LCM ढूंढना है बाय मेथड, बट मैंने यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्ट लिख के दिया है, ठीक है. नाउ 6 upon 7 here, if I want to make it this 7 42, with what I should multiply? That is 6. Whatever the number I am multiplying in denominator, the same number I have to multiply in numerator, right? 29, here it is 14, 14 3s are, here again also 3s are, here it is 65, here's a 21, here's the 2s are, 2s are. Now 36 upon 42, 29 3s are 87, 87 upon 42 plus 65 2s are, that is 130. Okay, now 42 36 plus 87 plus 130. Okay, you can add this to this 3 divided by 42. Okay, now addition of all this is I'm doing over here. Okay, 130 87 and 36, right? 7 plus 6 13, carry 1, 8 plus 6 14 plus 15, so 253 divided by 42. Okay, so after this we'll start a new topic, that is comparing and ordering of fractional number. Okay, comparing of a fractional number. Comparing means you have to decide which fraction is smaller and which fraction is bigger. Okay, there are two cases. Case 1, when numerators are same. When numerators are same, how you will decide which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller? Let me tell you with the example, right? When numerators are same, 15 like 10, 25, oh sorry, again 15, let's say 20, and again 50, let's say 50 denominator, right? Here if you observe, in all three the numerator is same, that is 15, okay, but denominators is varying. So how you will decide which numerator which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller? You have to observe denominator. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर जितना बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन उतना ही छोटा होगा. As denominator increases, the fraction value goes decreases. Okay. So if for this 3, 1, 2 and 3, this 3, if I want to arrange in a ascending order, then the highest denominator fraction I have to write first because it is the smallest one. I am writing in ascending order, right? Okay, so this is the ascending order when numerator are same. Now for the second case, case 2, when denominators are same. Okay, so how you will decide that which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller when the denominators are same, right? Like 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 10 by 5. These are the three fractions I have taken. If you observe, I have taken the denominators in all three fractions are same, which is 5. So for this, अगर इन तीनों में हमको डिसाइड करना है कि कौन सा फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा, सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व न्यूमरेटर, राइट? अगर न्यूमरेटर जिस भी फ्रैक्शन का बड़ा होगा वो पर्टिकुलर फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू भी बड़ी होगी, ठीक है, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर सारे सेम है. नाउ इफ़ आई वांट टू अरेंज दिस थ्री फ्रैक्शन इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, आई विल राइट अ लोएस्ट न्यूमरेटर फर्स्ट. Okay, lowest numerator वाला fraction I have to write first. Okay, then these are less than sign, ठीक है. This is the lowest fraction, this is the biggest fraction, this is the ascending order. Okay, so okay, we'll stop in this lecture up to this and we'll continue in a next lecture. Thank you.